Let me introduce you to a girl. Her name is myself and she glimmers pearl. Give it a whirl to stand under over worlds. Don't let them hold you down just cause you're without a frown. Those clowns, show them how you can make that dress twirl. Push yourself so far forward that you speed out of the scene without letting your dreams go, cause then you'd have seen the unforeseen. Unlike your means, when all is lost, nothing remains but none can see. A perfection was clear and your destiny here, regression toward the mean. I wanna take you, girl, to everywhere your dreams could be. If you just believe in me, we'll fly away so feathery, you're my master key. I'm the shackles you were locked in, but you freed yourself so easily. Drinking that afternoon tea so chill despite what you mean to me. Remember that tree? Yeah, had to kill it to get to you, but it was worth it. You're my breakthrough, gotta fight to get to you. To the one who matters the most, I love you, dear ghost. Took me from coast to coast, waving lights shone from that lamppost. Bring you to a crisp and for most tortured soul. Give yourself a rest, you've generated enough sweat. We're all impressed, none of us would have guessed it. But you're the real deal, surpass every single test. Didn't even ask for a meal, seriously, for real? The best, I speak no lies, won't deny that I must confess. You rock our socks off, make every one of us complete. You're like the #1 athlete, but girl, you got no conceit. Legit, your heart is perfectly, seamlessly wondrous to me. And we could fly, get everything we want, what we dream to be dreamlessly. Align your spirits to mine, let ourselves collide on their souls well done. But don't give in to the deadlines, that guideline is more of a fault line. We'll entwine our skylines, dear Valentine, in this divine storyline. It's a plot without rhyme or purpose, almost as though you shine bright. We build shrines to worship you, you're my goddess, I don't care anymore who knows or listens, because without the truth I'd be empty, lost, forgotten in view. Your love into me, please allow me to feel the thoughts you bring to reality, no need anymore to conceal. Break the seal to heal.